Welcome to another episode with this legendary birds, blisters, and promo cards is a Galarian Zapdos, a Galarian Moltres, and obviously a Galarian Articuno. Really cool holo cards from Evolving Skies, and we have the 4 booster packs, 2 Astral Radiance and 2 Fusion Strikes. So let's start with Astral Radiance, and it would be cool to pull the matchup V. So let's see. Golduck, Scyther, Eevee, Heracross, Teddy Ursa, Shaman, and oh no way! We just pulled a matchup V. No way! Just chill there, buddy. And another pack. Let's see, and what we got in this one: a Bisharp, Trekking Shoes, Petalili, the Hippopotamus, and a Rapidash non-hollow. But next one is Fusion Strikes. Would be great. The Gengar VMAX would be awesome. Let's see. Bugcatcher, Shelmet, Shinx, Eevee again, and a Zeraora non-hollow. No worries, one more pack. Fusion Strike coming up next. Enjoy the code card, guys. Ooh, I think I can see something there. Let's see if it's something great. Staryu, Geodude Reverse Hollow, and a Greedent V full art. Not bad. Guys, thanks for watching.